In this video, I want to talk about cables and specifically this Syrnarn. There's actually a pretty high quality cable makers out of China, and they have all kinds of different cables. And so far what I noticed is they make an excellent cable. So I actually got a couple of these, and this is what's included. So you get a little pouch. It says World of Audio. Pretty nice to carry your cable around and whatnot else maybe you would want to. But yeah, this is the cable itself. It's just kind of coiled up, and it's got a really nice texture to it. It's very soft and pliable. So the version I got is the 3.5 millimeter to 3.5 on the other end. So this is going to work very well with Hifimans and anything that has a dual channel 3.5. So they have a real carbon fiber accents here on the plugs. Very nicely constructed. Feels high quality. We also got some strain relief here. And again, the cable is just really soft. We got Velcro strap with the branding on it. Also very nice. So this is their smaller length, which is 5 feet. And they have longer ones, obviously. Going to the split here. Again, we got this really nice carbon fiber accent. And then the tightener here has also a very nice chrome black look. Yeah, the cables feel really, really good. And the ends are also super high quality. They are labeled left and right, which is nice. And there is strain relief here too, a bit. So the stock cable that comes with Hifimans is, decent. And what I noticed right away, plugging this cable in, and could be placebo, whatnot else, but for me, I noticed the difference in sound, and it sounds a little more clear, I guess I would say. Maybe not even clear, but like more sparkly. So it seemed like it added a bit on the upper end. But overall, a beautiful cable that works great with even, let's say, these focals, if you got any kind of focals. They do fit in there just fine. And yeah, just a beautiful cable to add to your collection if you want a high quality experience, and also very pliable with different kinds of terminals, including balanced 4.4s and XLRs. So yeah, I'm really enjoying this thing, and we'll be using it with all my headphones.